Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the menu color in WordPress. It's a simple process and only takes a few minutes, so let's jump right in. Start by heading over to wordpress.com and clicking the login button. For a faster login, you can use the Continue with Google option. Just pick the Google account linked to your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, look to the right-hand panel. Under Quick Links, click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you'll be making the changes. If you manage more than one site, select the website you want to edit. The editor will display your site preview and allow you to click on different elements. Now click directly on your menu. This will bring up customization options. On the right side, look for block settings. Go ahead and click on that. Inside block settings, click on the Styles tab. From here, select Color. This section lets you adjust the background color of your menu. Now choose a color that works best with your site's design. You might go for something bold to stand out, or a shade that blends nicely with your theme. Try out different combinations until it feels right. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've changed your menu color in WordPress. It's a quick way to add personality and make navigation easier for visitors. Thanks for watching. If this helped, check out more of our tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy customizing!